Hi guys! Today's video, we're going to explore another local but super duper affordable brand. I'm talking about Belladona Cosmetics. They were kind enough to send me their lip products to try, and I am talking about yung Belladona lip cream. So it comes in a box. So pag bumili ka, meron siyang I have 6 shades, you guys. So ang claim nila is itong lip cream, cruelty-free, pigmented, long-lasting, and it has vitamin E. So, hindi naman siya and matte finish. So, wala naman silang claim that this is like a kiss-proof, waterproof, yada yada, something like that. So, but let us explore na rin. Let's start. Unahin natin sa shade na Loyalty. By the way, eto pala siya, you guys. This is what the, yung mismong packaging. Yung mismong lalagyan ng lippy. Here is the doe foot application. This is Loyalty sa hand swatch or arm swatch. And this is Loyalty on my lips, you guys. Love it! Ang ganda ni Loyalty! And guys, ang napansin ko sa kanya, pagka-apply mo, it is creamy but it has a little bit of tackiness. Hindi naman yung parang kadiring tackiness. Hindi naman sing tacky ng Maybelline Super Stay, a bit lesser than that. And then, pero para siyang, alam mo may kapit pag apply mo pa lang. Hindi siya liquidy. And smells like bubblegum for me. And it's very pigmented. Like, yeah, it's very pigmented. And yes, it is a matte finish. So yeah, this is Loyalty. Sa photo, dun sa Shopee nila, akala ko nude si Loyalty. But this one has a pigment. So inuna ko si Loyalty. Pero, yeah. Ang ganda nung pagka-matte finish niya, guys. And it has a little bit of stickiness. Just type it. Siguro mga 3% lang. Over 100. Not really bothering for me. Next shade is Faithfulness. Dahil, kanina pa ako dito, hindi ko mabuksan si... hindi ko mabuksan si Faithfulness. Bye-bye. 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 Pabukas. Sobrang lakas ng asawa ko, nag-crack. Nag-crack pagbukas niya. Ang higpit kasi. Etong si Faithfulness is like a burnt orange. Like, sort kind of a bit deep na burnt orange. Ito siya on the lips. And, ganda rin naman. Yeah, well, recently, nowadays, I'm not a fan of burnt orange lippies. For some reason, dati super duper favorite ko yun. Pero ngayong season na to ng aking makeup life, parang hindi ko masyado napupusuan yung mga burnt oranges. But this one looks good. And this one I like. So yeah, this is Faithfulness. Hindi pa nakita sa packaging mo. By the way, mabilis lang siyang tanggalin ng wet wipes. Next shade is called Attention. So this is the shade Attention, guys, and it really caught my attention because I'm not quite sure how to explain this shade. So ayan ang difference niya dun sa first two. This is what it looks like on my lips, and it's like red, pero may hint ng pink and may hint ng brown, but predominantly red. And I'm not mad at this kind of red. Usually, magandang red is yung mga blue tone red, diba? Parang pak na pak, like Snow White type of red. Pero this one is very muted, very subtle, and very sexy. So this is Attention. So, doon na tayo sa next batch, you guys. Yung what I do believe are the pinks. I'm not sure dun sa photo, parang mala pinky eh. Okay, so the first one is called Honesty. Alright guys, so ito si Honesty, and as you can see, yan ang difference niya do sa first three colors. It's a pinky color, and ito naman si Honesty on my lips. And honestly, it is not my favorite because it's pink but it's on the lighter side. By the way, itong first three lahat ng skin tone babagayan. In fairness. But for Honesty, on my skin tone, I feel like it doesn't really suit me that much. It's kind of lighter, tas on a little bit brighter side. Pero ito, perfect to para sa yung mga mas mapuputi sa akin. But, it kind of matched my hoodie, guys. Look at my hoodie. Look at these. Y'all, look at that. Look at my hoodie. This is the logo of, alam mo na, BTS. And this is a tie-dye hoodie. And guys, huwag niyong tanungin where I bought this, where I got this, because I made it. Yeah. Abangan ninyo. Meron akong i-share sa inyo. I-announce, sort of. So, yeah. Wait for my next video, guys. But, yun lang muna masasabi ko. Anyway, ano yung sasabi ko? Yeah, this one. It's Honesty is not my favorite. Pero, meron siyang binabagayan. And by the way, guys, I forgot to say na pag mag-apply kayo nito, yung isang dip na yon on my lips, like on the level of my lips, sa kapal ng labi ko, one dip is not enough. 2 dips ang kailangan bago ko ma-fill up yung entire lips ko. Pero if you have lips that are thinner than mine, then walang problema sa 1 dip na yan. So yeah, this is Honesty. Next shade is called Affection. Yan ang difference niya dun sa mga naunang colors or shade. Ito naman siya on my lips. And you guys, I'm pretty sure it's pink. Pero para siyang may red undertone. So parang biglang tingin, it's like red. Pero like, it's also like pink. Is it my favorite? Not so much, but it's a fun color. Parang masarap siyang isuot if you're like, you know, super happy and bright and bubbly and it's hot outside. Have fun and tropical beach side, something like that. I don't know. It is maganda, but it is not my favorite out of the bunch so far. So yeah, this is Affection. So we are down to the last shade, which is Success. So this one is Success, at ayan na, kompleto na ang 6 shades. Ayan na kayong difference. And this is Success on my lips. And you guys, akala ko itong si Affection na, yung summery, like super bright summery color. This one is straight up pink na may hint of a little bit of orange. Alam mo yun? Parang siyang may orangey undertone. And si Affection, this one screams summer sa bahay. Pero si Success screams summer sa Boracay. Alam mo yun? Summer sa Coron, mga ganon. And it's a funky, fun color. And do I like it? I surprisingly do. I like it better than Affection. Although hindi ko sure kung bagay sa akin. Pero I kind of like it. It's kind of fun. So yeah, this is Success. Guys, so yun na ang lahat ng 6 shades. But I'll try to wear test this kasi sabi nila long lasting. So I want to see how long lasting it is. Pero I'm going to use my favorite shade, which is Attention. So, out of all the 6 shades, ang pinaka-favorite ko is si Loyalty and si Attention. Was it Loyalty? I love it so much. Okay, so ito na yung gagamitin ko for the wear test. Kakain lang kami ng lunch. And then, I'm gonna go back to you for my final thoughts. But, die. Yantayin niyo ba yung final thoughts ko? 149 lang to die. And honestly, maganda siya. Oo, maganda siya. Well, they just have to improve with the shade selection. Kasi parang sa lahat, parang dalawa lang yung talagang tumibok yung puso ko. I like all of them. In fairness, I like all of them. May mga binabagayang shade. This row right here is bagay sa lahat ng skin tones. Although this row right here is parang sa mga more on the mapaputi. I wish they would expand their shades, more choices. Alam mo yun? Pero when it comes to the formula, to the quality on the lips, sa feel, wala akong problema. So, yun na masasabi ko, ang natitira na lang is tingnan natin gano'n siya ka-long-lasting. Hopefully, it's long-lasting. Kasi kung hindi siya like, alam mo, borado ka agad ng bonggang-bongga. Sana naman magtagal siya para talagang sulit na sulit. Pasok na pasok sa banga ang 149 pesos. Patati! Hindi yan.
Ugbo, may tao dun.
I am back from lunch. Nagpalit ako ng damit kasi may init yung hoodie. In fairness, ang ganda ng pagkaka-fade niya. Dahil kumain ako ng patatim, kumain ako ng bread, uminom ako ng water, ng coffee, ng hot choco. In fairness. Well, this is for the shade Attention. Don't know about the lighter shade, lalo na yung Honesty. Ito maganda yung pagkaka-fade niya. Ay, ganda ng pagkaka-fade. Isa yung sa mga pet peeve ko when it comes to lip products, you guys, yung fading sa inner corners. I don't mind if you fade sa inner corners, lalo na kapag kumain. But, sana man lang pag nag-fade ka, maganda yung pagkaka-fade. And this one, nakapasya siya sa fading test. So, kudos to Belladona. And right off the bat, sasabihin ko na, I do recommend na itry niyo yung Belladona, guys. Lalo na if you're on a budget. Hindi siya kiss-proof though, pero hindi naman siya parang, alam mo yun, pag nag-transfer, parang lipstick. Like, buong labi mo, bakat na bakat. It's not like that. Parang medyo fadey-ish din yung pag-transfer niya. So, that's a good sign. But all in all, you guys, nag-enjoy ako dito sa Belladona. Because it's just $149. Tama ba ako nasasabi $149? Baka mamaya guni-guni ko lang yon. Pero yeah, it's super duper affordable, maganda yung quality, and kung hindi ka naman choosy sa, alam mo yun, packaging and everything, mas maganda pa ito kesa dun sa mga ibang brand sa ang tawag dito, sa department store. To be completely honest, marami tayong mga local and independent brands na mas maganda pa kesa sa, let's say, BYS, sa For You Too, sa ano, alam mo yun, sa mga Shawil, ganyan-ganyan. Anyway, that completes this video, guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating lip swatch and wear test. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!